What's on in the belly of the beast? Sulamat and the mucka from my face. Back against the wall and there's no way through. Fuck her in and feign that you make a good pork stew. Back against the wall and there's no way through. Fuck her in and feign that I make a mean pork stew. Whoa, shin scale scanna lock, her Kyle to him platter vein year and you're not. Make us place on a lock, a Gary ain't the cunt lock. Here, Torby with the call, you get the bugs on the lock. Oh, to miss a sound of sock, again about 100 stone. How many pounds is that? I'd find a glisten yatslan and its lounges lad. Got crusty, bozo, pennyways, fuck, how many counts is that? Never keen on the fish, but I'm gutting them. Like a spring clean and I mean that I'm gutting them. If they're acting foul like a curl and I'm gutting them. When I'm in his hole, ha, yeah, I'm gutting them. Legs balls, I be putting them. Calls cunt, build a burr, I be stuffing it. When he sees my Mickey D, he be's loving it. I could show you stuff it would leave your holes puckering. What's on in the belly of the beast? What's on in the belly of the beast? What's on? Sulamoth in the mucker from my face. From my face, no way. Calling on it in the back against the wall and there's no way through. Fuck her in and feign her to make a mean pork stew. To make barku alish full goo is the country near Haku Hanish or Ramadan a lahij be sorry to get his least I can use the leftovers for my ham sandwich. Like who's this? Fella don't know what a clue is. Like K-Shiv, P-Rajig, Bagger, Trina Schultev. Gives me goods cause I can go faster. No, I'm not a pro, but I'm the beat master. You want trouble? Well, here's a disaster. Go and take a bally, you've a face that needs plastered. Playing cats run in the belly of the beast. Barely bus bars, but my bus beast custard. Flustered, pink clustered, with a dust face. Hope you're looking brave cause I even need a crustard. Back against the wall and there's no way through. What's on in the belly of the beast? Fuck her in and feign her to make a mean pork stew. For my face, still a mat and a mucker for my face. Back against the wall and there's no way through. I'm a fuck her in and feign her to make a mean pork stew. For my face, stand the six, when I back against the wall and there's no way through. What's on in the belly of the belly? Fuck her in and feign her to make a mean pork stew. Still a mat and a mucker for my face, cunts.